हेलो फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। नीट के प्रिपरेशन में लगता है ना कि टाइम बहुत कम है और सिलेबस इतना है कि ख़त्म होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टेल यू सम प्रैक्टिकल टाइम मैनेजमेंट टिप्स फॉर ऑल द नीट एस्पिरेंट्स विच विल मेक योर प्रिपरेशन वेरी प्रोडक्टिव एंड हेल्प यू टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट। सो इफ़ यू गोना लाइक दिस वीडियो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दिया करो यार, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। So let's make every minute count to this neat journey. Let's get started. First one, daily routine and planning. Follow 8-8-8 rules. 8 hours of study, 8 hours of sleep and 8 hours of extra work. 8 hours of study, like it's not always compulsory. अगर आप 6 to 7 hours भी after your classes, maybe it's online or offline, अगर आप 6 to 7 hours भी पढ़ रहे, then it's okay. This is also gonna help you. And 8 hours of sleep is I think compulsory because मैं अपने preparation time में 7-8 घंटे या 6 से 7 घंटे आराम से सोती थी। because अगर भाई पूरे दिन जो बंदा इतना पढ़ रहा है, इतनी मेहनत कर रहा है, तो थोड़ा तो चलता है। So 8 hours of sleep or less than this is also good. Second, make realistic timetables and avoid overloading. Like just divide the times into blocks of 2 to 3 hours for per subject with short breaks. But most of them used to study for 1 hour or more than 1 hour and then used to take 10 minutes of break. This is also good, but I think most of you must be doing Pomodoro technique, in which 50 minutes of study and 10 minutes of break. Just do it according to your comfortability. Third, daily routines are better than long timetables because most of you must be doing like writing long chapters and you're not able to complete it at the end of the day. So just write exact topics or chapters which you know you are gonna complete at the end of the day, because you know better way कि तुम किस तरीके से कर सकते हो and किस तरीके से टाइम मैनेज करके वो सारी चीज़ें कंप्लीट कर देना है. सो मेक अ शॉर्ट डेली रूटीन rather than long timetables, and this gonna help you and be productive because small wins keep you motivated. Fourth, mix subjects. Don't study one subject for whole day because this gonna make you feel low. Rather, you should do accordingly, like I used to do at morning. The brain are fresh, so I used to solve numericals of physics and physical chemistry. Then after classes from evening to night, I used to read biology, inorganic and organic, because evening times are best for memory based. Fifth, solve MCQs. Solving at least 50 to 100 MCQs every after theory is very compulsory, and this will also make you feel confidence in that theory. And you also know practice makes a man perfect. Sixth, give mock test once a week. Like अगर पूरे वीक जो आप जिस भी टॉपिक पे या जिस भी चैप्टर को कंप्लीट किए हो, give a mock test at the end of that week, maybe on Sunday or any other day in which you are comfortable. And just make a error book in which you will be writing all the mistakes which you have done in that test or mock test. This will increase your accuracy, and revise that error book weekly. Now last, revision. Most of you must be doing like पूरे दिन पढ़ा and then last में revision किया, एक दिन पहले का भी and then उस दिन का भी जो आप पढ़ा. बट मैं इस तरीके से नहीं करती थी. I used to revise at the end of the week, like पूरा वीक जो पढ़ा, जो भी chapters और जो भी topics, after my mock test and after my mock test analysis, मैं पूरा टाइम अपनी रिविजन को देती थी जो भी उस वीक करती थी. मैं डेली रिविजन नहीं करती थी. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you find this video very helpful. If yes, then hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. It's very important. So let's see you in another very inspirational, motivational and useful video. Till then, bye bye.